cross-margin versus isolated margin. Understanding margin mechanics on Bitget. In the realm of margin trading, Bitget offers two distinct mechanics, cross-margin and isolated margin. Each presents its own advantage and considerations, catering to different trading strategies and risk appetites. Let's dive into the specifics of each. 1. Isolated margin. Isolated margin mode limits your risk exposure to the allocated funds for a specific trade. In other words, the only margin you set for a particular position is at risk. So, when you open a trade in isolated margin mode, the position size is equal to the margin you use. Therefore, in the event of liquidation, you stand to lose only the funds allocated to that specific trade. So, you use isolated margin when particularly for speculative trading endeavors. By isolating the margin utilized for each position, traders can mitigate potential losses to the initial margin set. This setup is conducive to short-term speculative trades, especially in volatile market conditions where rapid equity depletion can occur. 2. Cross-margin. Cross-margin mode utilizes your entire account balance as a margin. This means that in this event of liquidation, you could potentially lose all funds in your account. Unlike isolated margin, cross-margin mode applies your entire account balance as collateral. This provides more flexibility and maneuverability, especially for advanced trade management techniques like hedging. The use case of cross-margin is beneficial for traders employing advanced strategies that require additional margin flexibility. While it offers more room for maneuvering, it also exposes the entire account balance to risk. Therefore, it's essential to conduct thorough research and exercise caution when utilizing cross-margin. Bitget's CoinM features introduce a unique concept for a joint margin pool, where funds from various cryptocurrencies can serve as collateral. This innovative feature enhances trading flexibility and diversification. So, whether opting for isolated or cross-margin, understanding the nuances of each mechanics is crucial for effective risk management and trading success on Bitget. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,